Hi, welcome to my video on arithmetic sequences, part 4. Find Tn equals An plus B by different ways. So that's the equation that represents an arithmetic sequence. And we're going to find that by different ways. Let me explain. Find Tn equals An by different ways. So we have a sequence 2, 8, 14, and 20. So this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So one way we're going to do it is we're going to find the differences. 8 minus 2 is 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. 20 minus 14 is 6. That means we have D1 is equal to 6. And the first term, T1 equals 2. So we're going to use the equation Tn equals T1 plus n minus 1d. So T1 is 2 plus n minus 1. D is 6. That's 2 plus 6 times n is 6n. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. So Tn equals 6n minus 4. That's one way we could work it out. Another way we could do it is we could say that we could work this out again and get that D1 is 6, but we also know that D1 is the A, so the A is 6. So if we use the equation Tn equals An plus B, then we have n Tn, that's 1 T1, so that's 1, and T1 is 2. So if we say that Tn, when the T of 1 is 2, A is 6, N is 1, we can find what B is. So 2 equals 6 plus B. So leave the B there. 2 minus 6. So B becomes negative 4. So Tn equals A, which is 6, and B is negative 4. Just another way to work out the equation. I didn't use this one. I used Tn and A and 1, knowing that the D1 difference is 6. So it's another way. And there's also another way to work it out, just a little tiny bit different, but this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and again this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So n comma Tn, so n1, when n is 1, T1, T of 1, so that gives me 1 comma 2, and 2 is T2, so that gives me 2, T2 is 8. So notice that, or remember I should say, that this is an arithmetic sequence, which is a common level 1 difference. So that means that we have a slope. So two ways we can do the slope. D1 is 6. That means the slope is 6. And also we came up with that A was 6. We did that in the previous video. So we can get the slope by saying that D1 is the A, is the slope 6, or because the arithmetic sequence is a linear function, that means we can do the slope of 8 minus 2 over 2 minus 1. That's like the x's and the y's. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that gives me a 6 over 1, or 6. So we can find the slope between any 2 points. And it's the rise over the run, if you want to think about that as if it was a graph. So the slope is 6. So since the slope is 6, now we can say that D1 is 6, A is 6. So that means we can go back to doing A or B after we found the slope. So if we have the slope, we can go back to here, because the slope is D1, and we can work it out this way. Or we can say that the slope is A, and we can work it out this way. So there's 3 different scenarios, more ways to work it out. How to find the equation as Tn equals An plus B. And just to remind that D1 is equal to A, which is the slope. So notice that the slope is 6. Notice the 6 is right here in the equation. So that 6 is the A value in the equation. That 6 is the slope. That 6 is the D1. We did that in the previous video. So that's reviewing how to get the equation different ways. But the most fundamental way is that most people would be doing the sequences this way. But we can also work it out different ways. Good to do different calculations, different thinking. And if you like my video, click the like button, subscribe button, and visit my website, www.mathsfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.